I'm going to have my braid here at the Puka Beach. There are different styles like this. You can pick which one you want. With this. So the prices depends on what type of braid you're getting. And I'm just actually getting... Ate, ano pangalan ng ano na to? Hindi, itong braid na to.
Braid,
Top braid. I'm going to get me a top braid, this one. So it's just a little bit simple. So for that, it's 350 pesos. So guys, hindi naman siya masyadong mahal. Mahal lang siya, depende sa kung anong braid. Yes, it depends upon the design. Of course, the amount of work which they are going to... Okay, sa Puka Beach, hanapin nyo lang ko si ate. Anong name mo ate? RG Chris. Ayan o. RG Chris. O, diba? So, if you're here, yeah, shout out sa kanya. RG Chris, ayan siya. Ayan si ate. So, hanapin nyo lang siya and you can have your hair braid here at Puka Beach. Yes. Wow.
Beer, mango shake. This one is free for you. Bestseller mango shake.
Ma'am, na-ilis na lang ma'am mura para sa'yo madam.
No, I'm okay.
You know, there's people here. I told them I don't have with me cash to buy stuff like this, and they told me I can just send it in GCash. Like, they just trust. Like,
And that's big trust.
yeah, some people wouldn't even dare to trust you. Like, hey,
Yung katerno yan mama.
right? Oh wow. But them, they just, trust. Ayoko yan kuya.
Ay, ma'am. Ma'am.
350 pesos, and I feel like it's not enough. So I wanna get more. So she'll add. So it's going to be another 250. But I don't have money right now. So they trust a lot that they said I can just send it to GCash. They will give me the number.
I go to pay him.
He will...
What is this, Magana?
Negative na ako dito. Like about the people here. They will trust you. Like, wow. Okay, that's something.
Yeah, I see.
Wow. Look guys. This is 350 plus 250. This is it. I got this here at the Puka Beach. Now guys, if you're going to go island hopping, make sure to bring with you your money.
Who gave me
Because
this?
there are a lot of people that sell stuff at
You
a
gave me this
very
one?
affordable price.
I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna get this one.
This is beautiful.
Let me give her. See, this is 100. So
Guys, I like my hair braid.